In this video, I will detail how to add another account on Instagram. So if you're using an Instagram account and you have multiple Instagram accounts that you want to use on the same Instagram app on the same phone, then this video is going to walk you through. So this works both on Android and on iPhone. So if I done this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to do this, all you just need to do is open the Instagram application on your device. So here I'm going to use iPhone. Go ahead and open the Instagram application on your iPhone. So while on this page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. On your Instagram profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right, which is the three lines. Click on this. Then this will take you to the settings and security page. And the settings and security page on your Instagram, you just need to scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to the bottom of the page. Then while on the bottom of the page, you should see login. Under login, you have add account and log out. Then go ahead and click on add an account. Then once you click on that, you should have option to log into existing account and then create a new account. Now to create a new account and add additional account to the same account on your Instagram, just click on create a new account. But if you have an existing account and you want to add it to the account you already logged into your Instagram, then click on login to existing account. There you go. Then once you have this interface, go ahead, type in your Instagram username and password and click on the login. Then you will be able to sign into two different accounts on the same Instagram app. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.